lifestyle, be close caption. Addicted to fatal attractions. Pictures and actions be played back in the midst of mashing. No fairy tales for this young black male. Some see me stranded in this land of hell, jail and crack sales. Hustling and hard to make a culture. Or the repercussions while busting on backstabbing vultures. Selling my soul for material riches. Fast cars. Wishing out in my life a legend immortalized the pictures. Watch their tears say your sympathy. My childhood years was spent worrying my fears in the cemetery. Here's a message to the newborns waiting to breathe. If you believe that you can achieve, just look at me. Against all odds, the life is hard, but carry on. Living in the projects, broke with no lights on. To all the seas that follow me, protect your essence. Born with less, but you still precious. Just smile for me now.